Happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm Paul Schutt, Executive Chef of National Cattlemen's Beef Association, contractor to the Beef Checkoff. Today we're going to be doing a twist on the classic corned beef. I've already cooked this corned beef, but I've added some apple cider, diced onions, and crushed garlic. I put this in a covered casserole dish, baked it for about 2.5 to 3 hours. So an amazing garnish and a contemporary garnish to the classic corned beef is the caramelized apples and onions. We're going to go ahead and start our pan with some butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. We've got 2 sliced onions. We're going to go ahead and add some brown sugar, some dried thyme, and 1/2 cup of apple cider. After we get our onions nice and caramelized, we're going to go ahead and add our apples. And we're going to cook those just until they're warmed through. So here's our finished plate. We've got the apple cider braised corned beef. We've got our caramelized onions with apples. I've paired that with some classically prepared cabbage. So what do you do with the leftovers? We're going to prepare some classic corned beef hash for breakfast. So this is a great use for your corned beef leftovers. It's a very simple recipe, corned beef hash. I'm going to go ahead and start with a warm pan. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Add some diced potatoes. Some leeks. And some of our diced leftover corned beef. We're going to go ahead and cook that until the potatoes are nice and soft, golden brown and delicious. So here's our finished plate. We've got classic corned beef hash. I prepared it today with 2 fried eggs, some grilled toast. One of the beautiful things about corned beef hash is the sky's the limit as far as ingredients if you want to doctor things up a little bit. You can use mushrooms, peppers, sweet potatoes, red potatoes, whatever your heart desires. You can find the recipe on beef. It's whatsfordinner.com. Happy St. Patrick's Day.